Right, as you can see now the adhesive has gone nice and clear. You can see all our plywood joint. So we laid the plywood on top of the timber floor before, and we only feathered the joint because if there was any uneven of the joint, we basically covered it with the feather. You can see that black mark, but the rest of the floor is nice and smooth. So as you can see, that's our chalk line right across the center of the room, and you can see that blue line. So literally what you do, you start from the center of the room, your first line goes in, then the second one, the third one, then you follow it. But always check, make sure you don't end up with a sliver down that end, or this end, or that end, or the right hand side end. Always measure twice, cut it once. This is what this saying. Am I not right?
Yeah, mate.
Then nicely closed, what you do is a trick. You put a hole on here, or you just use a cut, small cut, press it nice and firm against the one that you already laid from your chalk line, so that will give you a very solid bell shape to work on. So now I'm going to basically push it right in, keep that gap closed. This is the most important part of the LVT, that if there's any small gaps, that will be followed all the way to the end of the room. If there's no gap, that will be closed all the way to the end of the room. So there we go, we're checking everything. Yeah. Then you put a bit of pressure in there, just follow your chalk line. Make sure you see at least half of your chalk line. I still can see my chalk line. If you cover it, then you'll get confused. Where it's going? You might end up somewhere else. So that's number 2. Again, I just use the whole one, put it right under your feet. That's about 100 mils. Make sure you get nice little square there. You put that in, push it right in. Double check, close all the gaps, put your hand there, your knees on it, follow the line. Spot on. Beautiful, let's carry on the rest of the side, shall we?
Yeah.
Okay, as you can see, we've done half of this big room up to our chalk line. So we've left 10 mil gap all the way around in order for this curtain to go on. So you can see from that wall, I've taken my measurement in a way that makes sure you don't end up with a small piece down that wall or along the nosing area. So, and then I've had a good full tile falling right at the end, and then we've got 10 mil width, or I think 12 mil with skirting to go on top of this. So you can see there's a whole one to go in. So it's all about measurement, getting it all prepped properly. You can see nice and smooth the floor is, and make sure the joints are about 6 to 12 inches away from each other. At least 12 inches I would recommend, as you can see the way we've divided them. So that's the first joint, that's the second joint, then we've just kept them staggered. So this was a demonstration for a few tips for anyone who would lay their own LVT flooring, and tomorrow we're going to start laying from this end, and then we're going to finish it to the wall, and we're going to have some nosing here. It's a commercial property, commercial place, so as you can see all the wires hanging out from the floor, from the ceiling. No matter how much you keep it clean, there's always stuff here. So thank you very much, and do keep an eye on Bespoke Flooring Solutions Limited. We might have some more videos of how the other type of flooring will be done, and we can give you some tips and ideas. Well, thank you very much, and many thanks for sharing and watching this.